Some secret facts about women that will help you to convince her for intercourse. Must watch this video till end and subscribe the channel for more interesting facts about women. Women go to the bathroom in pairs or groups for various reasons. The first two are to talk about you and the other is to borrow makeup. Women are fully aware of what the codes "come hug" or "come watch a movie" mean. Most women also use these same codes. Women want sex as much as men, sometimes even more. Women talk about as much disgusting stuff with their friends as men do. Women will always talk about their relationships in detail with their best friends, no doubt about that. Women will be your mother the moment you start complaining about your health. This actually depends on the girl and her mood. Women are better than men at remembering faces. Women don't like it when others compare them to someone, but they constantly compare themselves to other women. Women like it when other women try to flirt with their men. Yes, they may seem upset, but inside they are smiling because they have what another woman wanted, that is, as long as men don't cross the line. The friendship between two women is not as strong as the friendship between two men. Women take longer to make a decision than men, but once they make a decision, they are more likely to stick to it. Women use both sides of the brain to solve problems, while men only use the left part. For women, sex should last a maximum of 45 minutes and a minimum of 15. But this is not a universal rule. Women cheat more intelligently, and they have their reasons. Men do it and can't explain when they get caught. When women get upset about something, they like to share their problems with other people, and if you listen to them patiently, they will feel better. If your wife tells you that something is bothering you or your relationship, don't ignore it. Just try to listen. Show her that you've heard her and are trying to fix whatever it is. Even if it's never fully fixed, she'll leave you alone 90% of the time if she sees you trying hard. Thanks to you who got here. Yes, you yourself are very important. It helps us to keep bringing you more videos. Subscribe and share the video for more people to see. Thanks to all.